Welcome to this special program series, COVID-19 Women Issues, as we capture developments around the pandemic and the impact on women. First, let's begin with the key updates. At the moment, prominent women who have contracted the coronavirus include Sophie Trudeau, the First Lady of Canada, Debbie Mazar, American actress who played in the movie Entourage, Olga Kurilenko, French-Ukrainian model and actress, and also Rita Wilson, actress and wife of Hollywood star Tom Hanks. Also, German Chancellor Angela Merkel is in self-isolation after a physician she engaged tested positive to the virus. In Nigeria, with over 40 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 1 death and 2 discharged, the First Lady of the nation, Mrs Aisha Buhari, has called for a national lockdown to contain the pandemic across the country. According to her, it is commendable that state governors have closed down school. However, this could be counterproductive if parents are still going to work. We should not isolate students and expose their parents. Let us remember that they would meet at home, she said. Speaking of the lockdown from the United States, Germany, Spain, Italy, India to Canada, the situation has provided an opportunity for women to boost their multitasking skills of having to work from home and guide their children during this period. In an interview with WebTV, Mrs Damilola Ishie, the engagement manager of the Fintech Association of Nigeria, speaks on how mothers can manage the situation and engage their children at home using technology.
In terms of coronavirus right now with the kids home, if I attend one more imaginary tea party, I feel like I'm going to go crazy because the kids are just nothing to do. So I try to find ways to, keep them involved, not just watching TV. They need to do more activities. We are painting more, we're reading more, we are bed watching more. So many things that we're doing, but I just try to keep them busy. So it's a pity I don't have my phone right here. There's so many websites right now. So they have worksheets, they have activities they can even do online. But because this is Nigeria, not everyone has access to digital. So that might be a problem because, the average family, they really don't have internet at home. They probably have on their phones. So what I can encourage them to do, probably download some of these apps and let your kids work on them. So there's Khan Academy for the older kids. My daughter uses that a lot. My son, I had to download this chess app for him because he likes chess. So instead of we have less touching things now, more of, into computers and all that. So, but I think we should just go that route for now, just to keep safe because of the social distancing. COVID-19 is real and it is right here in our faces. We cannot avoid it anymore. For working mothers, especially, who are not used to staying so long at home with the kids, one, you need to learn how to be patient in this time. And of course, more washing of hands. You need to tell everyone, not just washing of hands, the wiping of surfaces. Your visitors that come in, first call in my house right now. Anyone that comes in now must wash their hands. Before talking, no handshaking, nothing. But so we need to learn all those things, make sure everyone is doing that. And as much as possible, try to limit visitors. But sometimes, this is Nigeria, people usually just come and knock. You don't have a choice sometimes. But we are trying as much as possible, let people know that stay in your houses, try to stock up on essentials, food, toiletries, and all that. But we're not saying you should hoard, but at least have the basic essentials that you need.
These are indeed trying times. And I know it has been taxing and the country is quite tensed right now. But as the saying goes, tough times never last, but tough people do. So here is me sending a big shout out and love to women who have and will have to cope with the challenges of the pandemic as wives, mothers, aunties, sisters, and even grandmothers. Please stay positive and most importantly, do not panic. This too shall pass. And this brings us to the end of this episode of COVID-19 Women series. Do connect with us on our social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, with the details showing on your screen. You could also send me an email and share with me how you're coping during this period at programs@proshareng.com. Till next week, thanks for watching and please do stay safe.